Namaste. We looked at the plight of ASHA workers yesterday. Today we are going to focus on one more class of people who are living with danger on a daily basis. The Paura Karmikas. Now, who are Paura Karmikas? They are nothing but people who are involved in the civic service. There are a total of 17,000 Paura Karmikas in the state of Karnataka itself. A similar number will be there in the rest of the states of our country. This includes people who are garbage collectors, who are garbage segregators. Now, what is their primary task? Their primary task is waste collection at source, waste segregation at source, then sending them to processing units. They have given additional responsibilities during the coronavirus situation, which is again to collect waste from homes of quarantined people and collect waste from homes of infected people. Now, during this journey, during these tasks, they face a lot of threats, they face a lot of problems. Let's look at each of the problems that they face. The biggest problem that they face is lack of protective equipment. Inadequate protective equipment is creating harm for them on a daily basis. Forget about PPE kits. Getting a mask every day is a different challenge for them altogether. Sometimes they are just living with one mask for a single week. Two, they will have to walk all the way from their homes because transportation is not available. They need to walk from their homes to their workplace. 3. Along with walking from their home to the workplace, they will have to walk from home to home in their routine task. And what is a vehicle that's provided to them? A push cart, which gets heavy after a few homes. They need to push these heavy push carts for a long distance on a daily basis. And what is the other resort they have? They will have to travel in these garbage collection vehicles, sitting on the pile of trash that we have actually thrown. Spare a thought for these people who just live amidst trash. I just want to highlight the plight of sewage workers as well. They need to get deep in sewage to ensure that they clean the clogged drains. And the most problematic situation during corona is the infected waste actually gets disposed in the sewage. So in a sewage, when a worker is actually cleaning or trying to prevent the clog, he is actually 10 times more prone to getting an infection than normal people. Food, water becomes a huge problem for them. Normally, in regular days, people who are quite generous give them food and water. But during the times of the corona crisis, people shy away from helping them because they feel they might get infected from these Paura Karmikas. Food, water is a difficulty. What about nature call? What about taking a bath after the end of day's work? They do not have proper toilet facilities. They do not have proper facilities where they can wash themselves with dignity at the end of the day. What does this result in? This results in them being potential carriers of the infection to their family members. Now, when I talk about 17,000 Paura Karmikas, I'm not just talking about them. I'm talking about the impact that this has. 17,000 into, if there are 3 members or 4 members in their family, this is the total number of people who are actually getting impacted. They go through a lot of health disorders themselves because of their nature of work. Psychosomatic disorders, musculoskeletal disorders, arthritis is quite common among them. Of course, respiratory disorders because they are involved in inhaling fumes from the waste on a daily basis. Diabetes and hypertension is common too among these people. With all these, again, they become double prone to catching an infection very soon. Inadequate information about corona pandemic is also something that is affecting them. They really do not have complete information about when they will contract an infection, if they will, if they don't, What are the symptoms? Most of them are completely unaware. And most importantly, they spend a lot of time segregating waste at our doorstep, because most of us, we don't segregate waste on our own. We just throw everything in one single dustbin, while they need to segregate into dry waste, wet. At the same time, they need to segregate it into biomedical waste right now from quarantine and infected houses. This is the plight of the Paura Karmikas. Do they have a choice? Unfortunately, no. Just like ASHA workers, they do not have a choice because they have a family to feed. Do we have a choice? Yes, we do. We have a choice of staying at home and ensuring that they are safe. What is the help that we can do? Give them some water when they come and approach us every day morning. The least that we can do is segregate the waste at source. For most of us, just putting our hand in our dustbin itself is so yucky. Imagine they live their life on waste. They sleep, eat, drink on waste. Look how unfortunate they are. We are really fortunate to be who we are right now. Stay safe. Prevention is better than cure. Until tomorrow, namaste.